Welcome. Managing project data is important, but turning that data into clear insights is what truly helps teams make better decisions. That's where integrating Microsoft Project with Microsoft Power BI becomes powerful. By connecting Microsoft Project to Power BI, teams can transform project data into interactive dashboards, track progress more effectively, and visualize key performance metrics in real time. This integration helps project managers and stakeholders gain better visibility into timelines, resources, and project performance. Let's get started. We will begin by learning how to import data in Power BI, then we will create a data model, add visual elements, and apply filters to refine our data. Finally, we will explore how to share reports and dashboards with others. Let's get started by installing Power BI. To download Power BI, open the Microsoft Store and search for Power BI in the search field. You will see three options, one for viewing reports, another for full functionality, and a report builder version. For this tutorial, we will use the desktop version, which provides all the necessary tools for data modeling and report. Creation. Click to install or open the application if it is already installed. Upon launching Power BI, you will see an initial splash screen. On the left, there are options to import data, access recent data sources, and view other Power BI reports. On the right, you'll find various learning resources that can be helpful. If you prefer not to see this screen at lunch, you can disable it at the bottom. Closing this window takes you to the main report view. Currently, the workspace is empty because no data has been imported yet. Fortunately, adding data is simple. You can do this either from the center of the screen or by selecting the Get Data option on the Home tab. Clicking this opens a drop-down list of multiple data sources compatible with Power BI. If you have data, chances are it can be imported here. For this tutorial, we will use data from an Excel workbook. Clicking on the Excel option allows you to select and open a file. The navigator window appears, displaying the workbook's contents, including tables and sheets. Selecting a table enables a preview of the data before importing it into Power BI. At this stage, you can choose to load the data as it is or transform it before import. Transforming the data allows for modifications and cleaning, which can be useful if the original data cannot be edited directly. This is often the case when working with databases or shared files. For now, we will load the data as is. Once imported, the tables appear in the data pane on the right. Each table contains multiple fields representing different columns from the dataset. To examine the data more closely, switching to the data view allows for a tabular look at the imported information. If inconsistencies are found, such as variations in naming conventions, Power BI provides tools to correct them. To refine the data, return to the report view and select Transform Data from the Home tab. This opens the Power Query Editor, a tool for modifying and cleaning data without altering the original source. The left panel lists queries corresponding to the important tables. Selecting a column enables options like replacing values or removing unnecessary fields. These transformations are recorded and automatically applied to future data imports. Next, we move to the model view, where relationships between tables can be managed. If Power BI detects relationships automatically, they appear as connections between tables. If not, relationships can be manually established by dragging a field from one table to its corresponding field in another table. This ensures that data remains connected when creating visualizations. Now it is time to build a report. The report view allows users to add different visual elements to represent data effectively. The right panel contains various visualization options, such as line charts, bar graphs, and tables. Selecting a visualization places it in the workspace, and data fields can be dragged into designated areas to populate. The chart dot, for example, to display trends over time, a line chart can be used dragging a numerical value to the y-axis and a date field to the x-axis creates a time series visualization. The chart can be resized and repositioned. For better organization. Additionally, drill-down options allow data to be viewed at different levels, such as daily, monthly, or yearly trends. Another common visualization is a summary card, which displays key metrics like total revenue. Simply selecting a numerical field automatically generates a bar chart, but this can be changed to a card visualization for a more concise summary. Similarly, adding a table visualization helps display detailed data, such as customer names and corresponding order values. A powerful feature of Power BI is interactive filtering. Clicking on a specific data point, one visualization dynamically updates the other visual elements. On the page. For example, selecting a category in a table filters charts and summaries to reflect only the relevant data. Multiple selections can be made using the Turl key, and filters can be reset by clicking outside the visual. To organize reports further, additional pages can be added at the bottom of the screen. Pages can be renamed and structured. To display different views of the data. Once satisfied with the report, it is time to share it with others. Publishing reports is straightforward. Clicking on the Publish button on the top right prompt saving changes before uploading to the Power BI service. After selecting a workspace, the report is successfully published and accessible online. The report can then be embedded into websites, SharePoint pages, or Microsoft Teams channels. A direct link or email invitation can also be shared with team members. Reports can be exported in various formats, such as PowerPoint and PDF, ensuring accessibility across different platforms. Additionally, a QR code can be generated to allow instant access to the report via mobile devices. Although this overview took slightly more than 8 minutes, it provides a solid foundation for getting started with Power BI. This is just the beginning of your journey in data visualization and analysis. With consistent practice, users can refine their skills, explore advanced functionalities, and uncover deeper insights from their data. Power BI offers a variety of powerful tools, including interactive dashboards, custom visuals, and AI-powered analytics. By experimenting with different features. Thank you for watching this tutorial on connecting Microsoft Project to Power BI. Integrating project management tools with analytics platforms allows teams to turn raw project data into meaningful insights and actionable reports. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tutorials on project management tools, data analytics platforms, and business software. Thanks again for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.